The Nigeria Subject to Regularization Visa Program provides a pathway for foreign nationals to regularize their immigration status when engaging in employment or business activities in Nigeria. This program aims to ensure compliance with immigration regulations and offers a mechanism for individuals to legalize their stay and work in the country. We will delve into the details of the Nigeria Subject to Regularization Visa Program and its significance for foreign workers. Purpose of the Subject to Regularization Visa. The Subject to Regularization Visa Program serves as a means for foreign workers to transition from an irregular immigration status to a legal and regulated one. It is designed for individuals who have already commenced employment or business activities in Nigeria without the appropriate work authorization or valid visa. Key features and benefits. The Subject to Regularization Visa Program offers several key features and benefits to foreign workers, which includes path to legal employment. The program provides a way for individuals to correct their immigration status and obtain the necessary authorization to work legally in Nigeria. Compliance with immigration regulations. By regularizing their status, foreign workers can comply with immigration laws and regulations, ensuring peace of mind and avoiding potential legal consequences. Employment opportunities. With a valid Subject to Regularization visa, foreign workers can fully participate in employment opportunities in Nigeria, contributing their skills and expertise to the country's development. Extended stay. The Subject to Regularization visa allows for an initial stay of 90 days, with the possibility of extension based on the specific circumstances and requirements. Eligibility and application process. To be eligible for the Subject to Regularization Visa Program, individuals must meet specific criteria, which are: the applicant must have already commenced employment or business activities in Nigeria. The applicant's employer or host organization in Nigeria will facilitate the application process on their behalf either directly or through an approved visa agent. The application is typically submitted through the Nigerian Immigration Service Portal by the employer or host organization. Supporting documents, such as a valid passport, employment contract, and letter of introduction from the employer, are required. After review and verification, the Nigerian Immigration Service issues a Subject to Regularization Visa approval letter to the employer or host organization, which can be used by the foreign worker to apply for the Subject to Regularization Visa at the Nigerian diplomatic mission or consular office in their home country or country of residence. Compliance and regularization. Once the foreign worker enters Nigeria with the Subject to Regularization Visa, they are required to complete the regularization process within a specified time frame. This process involves registration with the Nigerian Immigration Service, obtaining a combined expatriate residence permit and aliens card, also known as SIRPAC, and paying the necessary fees. By completing the regularization process, foreign workers transition from a provisional Subject to Regularization Visa to a valid work permit, securing their legal employment status and enabling them to work in Nigeria without any restrictions. The Nigeria Subject to Regularization Visa Program offers foreign workers the opportunity to transition from an irregular immigration status to legal employment in Nigeria. Through compliance with immigration regulations and the completion of the regularization process, individuals can enjoy the benefits of legal employment, contribute to Nigeria's economy, and ensure peace of mind throughout their stay in the country. The Subject to Regularization Visa Program serves as a vital pathway for foreign workers to align with Nigerian immigration laws and regulations, fostering a transparent and compliant environment for employment and business activities. By choosing PeaceRyde Logistics Limited as your trusted partner for Nigeria visa-related services, you can be rest assured that you are in capable hands. Let PeaceRyde enhance your travel experience and make your journey in Nigeria truly memorable. Peace begins with a smile. Please share the love. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.